Welcome to Chicken Dairies for March 12th, 2025. We had a brief rain downpour this morning, 1.8 mils, just enough to keep things going. Good morning, ladies. Ready for your breakfast? Got a nice apple for you? No takers. You're looking better, my girl. Yes, you are. And how about you? Ow! Hey, that was my finger! Haha. This is your food. That's my finger. Ow! Memphis Belle bit me. Ouch. Thanks, Memphis. Thanks, Kevin, for barking in my ear. He's what's with these ladies today, ladies and gentlemen today? Hey? I'm trying to get these girls breakfast, okay? Just give me a moment. So you girls happy? Hey, that's enough. I'll throw it in a sec. Hey, Panther. Eat your breakfast. Good girls. Just a few more seconds, okay? She's just trying to do a show and he's like, I don't want you to do a show. I want you to throw my toy. I will throw your toy soon. Kevin? Kevin! You're waking up the neighborhood. It's only 7 a.m. Alright. Hang on, girls. I'll quickly grab this toy. Ow! And simple, just like that, he decides to take it. How do you expect me to throw it, Kevin, when you take it? Now he's barking with a toy in his mouth. Kevin, you can't do both. Anyway, ladies, you all settled with breakfast? Of course you are. Alright, girls, you lay me some good eggs, and I will see you later. Thank you very much for watching. Until next time. Bye for now.